Rent, the silent struggle of many fashion designers. One of the biggest challenges fashion designers face today is rent. Yes, rent is holding many talented creatives back from being seen or fully expressing their skills. A lot of designers, after completing their training, struggle to find a physical space to launch their dream. Renting a shop or studio is expensive. Some manage to rent but can't sustain the payments. Sadly, many end up closing their businesses and seeking other jobs just to survive. But here's the truth: rent shouldn't end your dream. The key is planning. If your yearly rent is 250,000 naira, to divide it by 12, that will be 20,000 naira monthly. Break it down even further weekly if you need to. Start saving towards it consistently. Waiting until your rent expires is a trap. Where will you suddenly get that big sum? For those who haven't rented a shop yet, don't rush. Start small. Start from your room. Build your brand from home and grow online. Use social media as your virtual office. Set up professional platforms and let your creativity speak for you. You can succeed without a physical shop, at least for now. Let me help you build your digital presence. For just a token, I will set up for you a professional Facebook page, a business Instagram account, a UK TikTok account, a YouTube channel ready for branding. I also offer full content creation training. Learn how to create videos, reels, and content that brings clients to your virtual doorstep. DM or WhatsApp this number in this video for more details. Don't let rent kill your dream. Start where you are, with what you have. I, Mr. Redefined. I make fashion simple.
I grab my sketch and make the line. Patterns flow like vintage wine. Dress in colors bold, refined. With fashion art I'm intertwined. From the canvas to the screen, styling dreams like you've never seen. Textures blend in harmony, creating fashion symphony. Hey there, folks, don't be shy. Like, subscribe, apply. Comment down if you feel fly. Mr. Redefined is standing by. Outfits popping in daylight, mixing shades to feel just right. Drawing styles that take their flight. Fashion spark ignites the night. Every clip a world within. Join the flare under my skin. Creation flowing.